In the election season, there is also a lot of controversy about what's been happening in Uttar Pradesh. And when you talk of Uttar Pradesh, for a long time, it wasn't imagined that Akhilesh Yadav is going to be fighting the upcoming Lok Sabha battle. Until yesterday, where he decided that he's going to be filing his nomination from Kannauj. On your screen are images of earlier today when he's actually done that. And Subrat Pathak, the BJP's MP from that very seat of Kannauj, now has compared his electoral contest with Akhilesh Yadav to an India versus a Pakistan cricket match.
मैं अभी नामांकन करके आ रहा हूं पार्टी का कन्नौज के जिम्मेदार सभी नेता कार्यकर्ता और बड़ी संख्या में यहां के लोगों की भावना ये थी कि समाजवादी पार्टी की तरफ से मुझे चुनाव लड़ाया जाए। मैं जनता का आभार प्रकट करता हूं। मुझे उम्मीद है यहाँ की जनता का मुझे आशीर्वाद मिलेगा।
अखिलेश यादव वहाँ से चुनाव लड़ेंगे और भारी बहुमत से वहाँ से जीतेंगे। तो देखिए, अखिलेश यादव वहाँ से कई बार जीत चुके हैं, डिम्पल भी कई बार जीत चुकी है और फिर अखिलेश यादव जीतेंगे। और देखिए, इनका तो वहाँ कोई नाम भी नहीं ले रहा है सुब्रत पाठक का, और ये तो इनकी इतनी हवा खराब है तो ये तो देख लेना सुब्रत पाठक कहीं टिकेंगे भी नहीं।
As per ECI instructions, all arrangements have been made and the nomination will start at 11 AM sharp and it will continue till 3 PM. So all security arrangements and then the crowd management, all things are in place. As per this arrangement at the local level, crowd is not coming to this place. No crowd is allowed. Candidate plus 5 people and only 3 vehicles.
नहीं, कल हमारा नामांकन है और राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष जी भी रहेंगे और तेज प्रताप जी का जो करा गया वो भी रहेंगे और उनके साथ में और भी लोग आ सकते हैं, वो भी रहेंगे सब लोग। और कल हमारे पार्टी का नामांकन होगा। जो भी फॉर्मेलिटी है वो हम लोगों ने पहले से अदा कर रखी है। जो कागज वगैरह थे वो कंप्लीट हो चुके हैं हमारे, और वो कल नामांकन हमारे पार्टी का होगा। देखिए, राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष जी का घर है कन्नौज और कन्नौज के लोग वो किसी भी पार्टी से जुड़े हुए हों, वो अखिलेश जी को अपना भाई मानते हैं, अपना बेटा मानते हैं और वो राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष जी को बहुत प्यार करते हैं। और आज पूरा कन्नौज माननीय राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष जी का इंतजार कर रहा है। देखिए, राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष जी जो भी हमारे फैसला लेंगे वो सर्वोपरि फैसला होगा।
So you've heard a string of those reactions. Now, what is the significance or the importance of this seat? Do remember, this is a seat, ladies and gentlemen, that Akhilesh Yadav actually began his entire electoral battle from. That is the reason why it was considered one of the strongholds of the SP. Then this is a seat that later went in to Dimple. Dimple also had this seat at least 2 times. And in the last election, that is the 2019 Lok Sabha election, is where this seat was lost by Dimple. It was won by the BJP Subrat Pathak, the man that you see right now on the right of your screens. Now, this time around, interestingly, Tej Pratap was initially announced to contest the seat of Kannauj from Uttar Pradesh. But towards the last few days, there was a growing buzz about the fact that there is a discontent about Tej Pratap, his candidature. Even the SP leaders themselves were not very comfortable of ensuring that that could be a seat won by the SP, and that's the reason why they requested Akhilesh to jump into the fray. And Akhilesh earlier today, as you see in these images playing out on your screens, has filed his nominations from the Kannauj seat. Will he be able to retain what people say is an SP bastion, or will the BJP be able to trump the SP yet again? We'll track that story and all developments closely. And when you talk of Uttar Pradesh, remember over the last many years, particularly since you've seen the BJP gain control both at the central and the state level in Uttar Pradesh, a lot of seats that were once considered safe seats for the SP have been lost. And that's the reason why you have seen the SP also taking a lot of time to decide to field Akhilesh Yadav, who for the longest time had said that he will continue to ensure his focus continues to be on Uttar Pradesh.